come into the some of my buildings when people are about leaving. That way you can meet them. You don't have to just come after hours. It's a daycare. Man, I'm gonna tell you something. I have something I say about that too. And this is real deal. Like, honestly, the thing about it is, your friends and family are not supposed to support you. Now, I know that's what you said. Now, I know what you said. I'm piggybacking on what you say. And I'm gonna tell you why they're not supposed to. It's not that you don't want them to. It's that they're not supposed to, because you need to push past that resistance so you can get to where you gotta go. And see, that's the thing. Like, if you cannot push through your family not supporting you, if you cannot push through your family saying, hey, you might be doing the wrong thing, then how you gonna get in front of the people that you don't even know? They're telling you, hey, your stuff sucks. Cleaning the sinks. Green rags just stay when I wipe things down, and red rags is what I wipe the toilet down. Back to what we were saying. It's definitely, if you cannot push past the resistance of your family and the people closest to you, I don't see how you expect it to. I don't even see how you expect to win. Because, I mean, what's the odds of everybody around you liking everything you do? And even though they like you, don't mean they like what you're doing. Or even want to support what you're doing. They don't even see, or they don't like, a lot of times they don't even see the vision. They don't even plan to see. They only see what they've been seeing. And now you trying to tell them what you see, and they still trying to see what they see, and you mad because they don't see what you see. See? The whole floor is not being used. Now, area rugs right here, it's nothing to hit the whole thing, but sometimes in that hall, you vacuum with your eyes. Again, I'm not in a hurry. I'm telling you about things to keep your business growing when you are in a hurry. You have so much business swamp. This right here, when you getting it, you want to have equipment without this. Like, I'm cool. Like, it's cool. I got to pick it up. I got to go unplug it. Got to go get the plug over there. I got to walk back here. Then I got to unplug it. I got to go somewhere else. Extension cords work too. You can put the extension cord on it to get further reach, but then the extension cord can tie up with you. When you got buildings and you in it for yourself and it got to happen, spend the money to get the cords cut. No, I'm not talking about just cutting the cord. I'm talking about go cordless backpacks. Come on, man. Yeah, because you're trying to get it. Mop this floor up. We need to take the bags in and out expediently. Let me go out here. This is what we did today. Since we got here a little early, we got here at the time when everybody was leaving. And I met a couple of the staff. They didn't have a problem with what was going on with the clean. We have no issues with the cleaning. That's another thing I like to pop up at the end of the workday, so I can hear what the staff has when they come in the morning. Sometimes I have some of my cleaning guys to do it as well. Relationships build business. So the more relationships you build in the business, the better. The more your client is understanding when things happen. From my perspective, that's just what I've been noticing. When I put cleaners that's not good in there, the relationship that I have with a lot of my clients keep me in the building. All right. So we got all of this here, and what I do is I roll them out. I'm not gonna be able to take them through the fence. I go back to wipe the window off, so I wipe it off. The damper one. Up here, let me show you. You know, so they do this, and they do this. I hope you can see. So, wiping up here, I don't have to do it all the time. I can come in here and hit this. Now again, I'm not teaching you shortcuts. I'm teaching you how to do things more efficiently because you got a lot of business coming in. You got to think about it differently. You say, oh man, he taking the shortcut. He ain't doing it. No, dude, this is more efficiently because you don't have to wipe all of that every night. You got a lot of buildings, you got to get to them. That extra second you need the extra bags there, you need the extra second to wipe, you need all that. If you getting it, okay. Well, maybe you don't want to get it then. Go ahead and sit down and wipe the whole door every night. You got the time to do that, go ahead. That's on you. I'm just telling you from my experience. Had so much coming in, wiping the whole door would have been a tragedy. It get to the point where I get frustrated when it ain't an extra bag in the bottom sometimes. Cause man, I was going. I had to fit it in. I had to fit it in. All right. Well, a couple things I did not show about the building. Those are things that I didn't do. Is the changing of the paper towels and putting the tissue in the room. Didn't have to do. If you like the content I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share everything that someone else would like to hear. Or I like to say throw something positive up in the air. For those that don't want to like, share, comment below or nothing, just throw something positive up there. Just say something positive out there. Energy, I receive it. And or leave a comment below. Like I said, leave a comment below and say, did you learn something? Is it something I can change? Something you want to hear me talk about? What you think about cutting the cord? And then are those things you look at shortcuts, or can you see how it could be more effective when you have a lot of business to do? Let me know. I'm out of here. Peace.